Industrial products are not only coated to give them an aesthetically pleasing appearance, but coating also acts as a protection against wear and corrosion. In order to achieve the best coating, professional spraying equipment must be used, such as that from Hangzhou Color Powder Coating Equipment Company Limited. We are a manufacturer of powder coating equipment, sandblasting machines, polishing equipment, surface treatment equipment, and more. We offer automatic surface treatment solutions and customization services for a number of industries, including hardware, machinery, aerospace, automobiles, and more. COLO's machining workshops are equipped with laser cutting machines, bending machines, and a CNC punch press. Every workpiece is strictly tested to ensure any error in machining accuracy is within 0.1 millimeters. Experienced technicians assemble and debug each delicate powder coating gun, and all standardized products must pass a complete performance test before they are sent out for delivery. All product operating systems are installed in electric workshops. Our electrical engineers are familiar with multiple international electrical standards, guaranteeing they are able to ensure the universal use of our products when sent to customers from around the world. Our company packs each product in a wooden case according to export standards and uses a 2 centimeter thick EPE foam for packaging important equipment parts, ensuring all parts remain intact during shipping. Our products are sold to more than 100 countries around the world, including the USA, Germany, Austria, Mexico, Russia, Colombia, Thailand, and more. We also employ a professional foreign trade sales team whose members are proficient in English, Spanish, Russian, German, and Japanese. We are proud to offer 24-hour online service for our customers.